Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 82 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something really quick before I finish it all. It's time, if you are growing asparagus, to start taking out your asparagus spears that have been growing throughout the year. These were about 6 feet tall, so I cut it in half, basically. I threw that or composted or threw it away, but really it's hard to compost this stuff. This stuff is just like all fiber. So, but either or, whatever you'd like to do. So, and then now it's time to remove the rest. So I get a lot of questions every year, and I'll link a lot of videos in this video. I have a lot of videos on asparagus. One is how to grow asparagus in the fall. So I get 2 seasons, like 5 to 6 months of production from asparagus from this bed. This is UC 157F1, the variety. So I already pulled out all the asparagus here. So basically what I do, and hopefully I can do it easily on the camera, just get the asparagus and pull it right up. Of course it broke, but good example. So you just want to take it up from the base. You want to pull it right up. You don't want anything sticking out. One, it could hurt you or the dog, Lulu, walking barefoot. She doesn't wear shoes. That'd be cool if she could. And 2, it preps the ground. I harvest asparagus by pulling it up from the crown. I've been doing it for years, and it doesn't affect the crown at all. It actually produces even more spears because of that, and I've proven that with my videos. So it's time to pull them up. You don't want to dig them up. You just want to grab it and pull it right out. So if you have asparagus, it's time right now to do it, because this is going to cause, these ferns are going to create a nice little home for all these insects in your garden that, predatory on your fruit. Not predatory insects, but like grasshoppers and things like that. They like to sleep in here. It's nice and warm in the winter. So if you don't want problems in the spring or late winter, get rid of your asparagus ferns now. Happy gardening, everyone. Bye.